Hari sat cross-legged on the temple floor, surrounded by ancient Hindu scriptures. He read about the scientific and technological marvels described in the texts, his mind whirling with ideas. The scriptures spoke of advanced machines and robotic beings. Weeks turned into months as Hari worked tirelessly to bring his vision to life. He spent countless hours in the temple, his hands moving deftly as he assembled two gigantic robots. The soil of the temple courtyard was his workshop, and the bright sunlight was his guide. As the days passed, Hari's creations began to take shape. He carefully crafted each detail, from the intricate mechanisms to the sturdy metal frames. The robots grew taller and stronger, their blue metal bodies glistening in the sunlight. Finally, the day arrived when Hari's creations were complete. He stood back to admire the two gigantic robots, their massive bodies towering over the temple. He named them Shiva and Vishnu, after the two powerful deities of the Hindu pantheon. Those two robots were huge, they looked like divine beings. Hari stood beside Shiva and Vishnu, his eyes shining with pride. He was a calm and serious person, never given to smiles or outward displays of emotion. But deep within, he felt a sense of joy and fulfillment that he had never felt before. Hari was very serious and calm, he rarely smiled, but he was always happy within himself. The sunlight cast a warm glow over the scene, illuminating the beautiful soil of the temple courtyard. The sky above was a brilliant blue, with just a few wispy clouds drifting lazily across it. Hari felt a sense of peace and contentment wash over him as he stood with his two robots, basking in the beauty of the day. Shiva and Vishnu seemed to come alive in the sunlight, their blue metal bodies glinting like diamonds. Hari felt a sense of pride and ownership as he stood beside them, his eyes drinking in the beauty of his creations. He knew that he had created something truly special, something that would bring joy and inspiration to all who saw it. Those two robots were divine in their appearance. As a creator, Hari always looked up to his two big robots as if they were his own children. As the day wore on, Hari stood watch over Shiva and Vishnu, his eyes never leaving their massive forms. He felt a sense of happiness and fulfillment that he had never felt before, a sense of pride and ownership that came from creating something truly beautiful and unique. And as the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the temple courtyard, Hari knew that he had truly created something special, two gigantic robots that would stand as a testament to his ingenuity and creativity.